Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kwang's Tutoring. We're back into the trenches of the SAT math section, and today we're tackling some of the most challenging problems. That's right, in this video we're breaking down questions 15 through 19 of practice test number 4. We'll cover key concepts like solving advanced algebraic inequalities, interpreting data, and tricky word problems that require precision. If you're ready to put in the work and get that score boost, grab your notebook and let's dive in. But first, you may have noticed that our videos look a little different. We're trying out a brand new recording style and setup today, and we'd love your opinion. Please let us know down in the comments below what you think of the new look and sound. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a solution. Let's get started with question 15. Which equation defines the line T? So first, let's remember that the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. Here we know our m because m is the slope, and that's negative 1/3. Now we just need to find b. So we'll take the point that we know. We know that the line goes through 9, 10. So we substitute in 9 for y, 10 for y, and 9 for x, and we solve for b. This gives us 10 equals negative 3 plus b. Add 3 to both sides, we get b equals 13. So the equation of my line is going to be y equals negative 1/3 x plus 13, which is answer D. Question 16. The function f of x is equal to 206 times 1.034 to the x models the value in dollars of a certain bank account by the end of each year from 1957 through 1972, where x is the number of years after 1957. Which of the following is the best interpretation of f of 5 is approximately equal to 243 in this context? So remember that the function here, f of x, represents the bank account value after a certain number of years. And x here represents the number of years from 1957 and through 1972. So f of 5 would, to me, mean that we're looking at the bank account balance 5 years after 1957. And so that's the answer we're kind of looking for. And so it can't be A, it can't be C, and it can't be D. B seems to be our best answer. The value of the bank account is estimated to be approximately $243 in 1952. 1962 is approximately 5 years after 1957, and therefore this answer makes the most sense. Question 18 says square P has a side length of x inches. Square Q has a perimeter that is 176 inches greater than that of perimeter square P. The function f gives the area of square Q in square inches. Which of the following defines f? So we have two squares. This is P, this is Q. The length of P we don't know, that's x. And the length of Q is x plus 176 divided by 4. Okay. So we take 176 divided by 4. 176 divided by 4 is 44. So that's the length of the one side of Q. Multiply it by another length of side Q. We get x plus 44 times x plus 44. Or a final answer of x plus 44 squared, which is answer A. Question 19 says the given equation relates to distinct positive real numbers w, x, and y. Which equation correctly expresses w in terms of x and y? What is this problem asking us to do? Well, it's asking us to get w all by itself on one side. So, in order to do that, we need to get rid of everything that's not w and bring it to the other side. So we'll start by dividing everything by 2. So if we divide everything by 2, we get this. That would be 7x over 7y is equal to w plus 19. Now we want to get rid of the square root. So we'll square this. We'll square this. 7 and 7 are going to cancel out. So we're left with x squared over y squared is equal to w plus 19. Then we'll subtract 19 from both sides. So we get x squared over y squared minus 19 is equal to w. And that looks exactly like answer C. If you'd like to see more of these, check out our other videos. If you would like some additional help with your math SAT, you can check out our website at www.ktutoringnow.com. Again, that's www.ktutoringnow.com. Thank you for joining us for this video, and until next time.